Nigerian singer KOKO, popularly known as Rema, has achieved another milestone as his song "Calm Down" with Selena Gomez became the first song in history to spend 1 year on top of the Billboard US Afrobeat Songs charts. American data collection company Chart Data disclosed this on Monday. The song has spent 52 weeks as #1 on the Billboard US Afrobeat Songs charts. It peaked #3 on the main chart, Billboard Hot 100, and reached #1 on the Canadian Top Songs charts. The saga of Nigerian singer Davido's supposed American side-chick, Anita Brown, continues to be a puzzle. Anita recently took her official Instagram by storm with a video where she showcased her aquatic prowess in a sizable swimming pool. In the video, the American attempted to maintain her equilibrium on a fish-shaped float, yet her recurrent sleep stole the spotlight. The talking point, however, was that numerous internet users observed her flat stomach, which raised questions of her previous pictures showing her baby bump. Is Anita Brown really pregnant for Davido? Nigerian